imagine a world where AI does not just predict the future, but also understand why things happen, leading to more intelligent and wiser decision making. So, in AI, knowing what is no longer required, understanding why is the new frontier, offering a glimpse into the future where technology mirrors human reasoning more closely than ever. So, in today's episode, I would like to discuss a transformative shift in artificial intelligence, a change from the conventional correlation driven methodology to the groundbreaking approach of causal AI. This evolution is a technological advancement and a beacon, guiding us towards more ethical, equitable, and practical AI applications across diverse healthcare, agriculture, and criminal justice sectors. The conventional AI landscape, defined by the limits of predictive models, has driven numerous innovations, forecasting a range of outcomes from consumer behavior to potential healthcare requirements. Yet, this reliance on correlation pattern recognition without understanding the underlying causality has shown in many ethical dilemmas and practical limitations. The disparity in healthcare predictions, where Black Americans has become systematically underserved, highlighted a severe ethical challenge rooted in bias and lack of causal understanding. This is one of the numerous instances where predictive AI falls short, proving blind, biased, and brittle. So let's enter causal AI. By delving deep into the cause effect relationship, causal AI transcends the limitation of traditional models to offer nuanced, accurate predictions that pave the way for more ethically sound and practically applications. Whether it is in rectifying bias in the healthcare, unlocking new potential in precision agriculture, or fostering equity in criminal justice, the implications of causal AI are profound. Therefore, the journey from predictive to causal paradigm in AI is not merely technical. It is a moral and practical necessities. It challenges us to reimagine the fabric of AI integration to ensure that the technology we herald as transformative is genuinely beneficial for all, free for the shackles of inherent bias and limited understanding. The distinction is also evident in the susceptible to bias. Correlation based AI often suffers from bias presenting in their training data or algorithms, whereas causal AI, which concentrate on actual cause and effect relationship, naturally avoids many of these issues. Its dependence on factual data over training datasets inherently makes it more robust and less likely to reinforce existing bias. Additionally, when faced with new or unknown situation, correlation based AI might struggle, so limited by its training confines. In contrast, causal AI is designed for adaptability, equipped to handle new scenarios by evaluating them through a causality perspective instead of mere correlation. So, as we stand on the ridge of a change, let us embrace causal AI not just an innovation tool, but as the standard for ethical, equitable, and practical AI application. Let this transition signifies our collective commitment to the future where technology serves humanity fairly and clearly, understanding correlations and causations that shape our world. Thank you very much.